In my opinion and experience, advertising success on Amazon does not depend only on Amazon itself. It depends on the seller's effort, the knowledge they gain about advertising, and how well they analyze and use the data available in their campaigns. If you become skilled at managing manual targeting campaigns, it is possible to generate more sales while controlling advertising costs more efficiently. Let us look at a simple example of how manual targeting works. Suppose you are selling a local brand shoe on Amazon, for example, a pink shoe for men from a brand called Neo. In manual targeting, you could add keywords such as pink shoes for men, men's pink sneakers, or similar search terms that buyers might actually type when searching for that type of product. If an Amazon buyer searches for a keyword that closely matches the keywords you have targeted, your advertisement may appear in the search results or on relevant product pages. The exact position of the advertisement will depend on factors such as your bid, the relevance of the keyword, and the competition from other advertisers.